Oh, I might have just started that by accident. Oops. Ew. Hey guys, it's me, Brooke Ray. I feel so awesome filming this video. I just wanna hide. It's my introduction video. Hello, hi, how are you? I just feel like I need to tell you guys why I am here today. So let me introduce myself. My name is Brooklyn Raymond. B-R-O-O-K-E-L-Y-N. Raymond, exactly as it sounds. My eyelash is stuck on my face. The reason I'm here today is because I am starting a YouTube channel. I had a YouTube channel when I was in 8th grade.
Hey guys!
Go watch my video from, it was a back to school essentials video.
Hey, I'm going to be doing a back to school supplies haul video.
None of that. I just wanted to talk to you about kind of what I'm about right now and why I want to do a YouTube channel all of a sudden and why I'm opening myself up to being even more judged than I already am. And I'll tell you why. Honestly, it's because I have found a new love and passion for being very authentic and real online. And I think that in my past, I have not been my full self. I think I have been myself, but not as much as I could be myself. I'm doing a YouTube channel because I'm so passionate about producing content and helping out other people. If there's some way that I can make anyone's life easier, I'm totally down for that, and I want to do that. I want to help people feel more confident and just who they are and in different ways of putting yourself together, or maybe things that will make you feel more confident so you can slay the game. Yes, queen, you got this, honey. I feel like a lot of people are kind of interested in what I'm interested in, and I feel like I could contribute that, make people's lives a little easier. Plan on doing a lot of lifestyle, beauty, fashion, vlogging, get to know me, get to know kind of what I'm about videos. Really my main purpose is just to cultivate authenticity and being real and not being afraid to be yourself, because I think that's so important, and social media is kind of taken that away from our world. First of all, I'm super awkward, so if you don't like awkward people, just, you can click on out of this video. If you don't like basic people, click on out of this video. If you're gonna judge me at school, I shouldn't say my high school. If you go to my high school and you're gonna judge me for this, you can skirt. Decided to do some kind of vlogging type footage in Hawaii, and it's garbage, okay? It's like literally trash. But I'm gonna throw that in here because I feel like it's kind of interesting to watch. Just made it. Here we are, spray tans and all. We out here.
Oh, it's just a video.
Thumbnail. We out here day one. We are on our way to get Starbies, because what else? Just got done taking a little swim, so that was a good time. I have nothing else to say, so just ordered, well actually, was going to order an iced chai, and they said, we don't have iced chai, and I was like,
Come again?
What? You don't have iced chai, huh?
That's not my language.
That's not my language. I don't know what that means. Hey mom, what's up? Vintage! Oh, courtesy of Gramster herself. These bad boys. What do you have to say?
Oh, it's a video.
Yep.
Okay, you better start over.
Oh, not gonna lie, this is the most uncomfortable I've ever been in my life. This is where I get chocolate milkshakes every single day. I'm such a vlogger already. Like, obviously, use code BROOKE for 20% off. If you want to see more videos from me, I'm going to be posting every Friday consistently, because if you know me, Starbucks Friday, duh. Quote me on that, because I'm going to, I don't know, just lots of fun stuff. And if you have any ideas of what you want to see from me, just comment that below if you want. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you're watching this still, congratulations. I would not have stayed on this video. You're the best, and comment Starbucks below. See ya. I really need to stop drinking this. This is just straight dried fruit.